in the cabin.
You know, I brought chicken, mutton, fish and prawns.
Oh my God.
देखो देखो
हाँ?
अरे मैं बोला था ना शीतल, पहले तुमको लंच पे बुलाया था ना, तुम नहीं गई। अब और एक लड़की को बुलाया। ये अन्नारे लड़के हैं ना, सब वैसे रहते, मेरे को पूरा मालूम है।
Lotus, you're not supposed to come here.
Why? What happened?
What I mean to say is that company rules and security doesn't allow us to.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
So whatever you want to cook and give it to us, you can give it at home.
Okay. When you come back in the evening, na, I'll cook all variety of food only for you. Okay, I'll wait for you.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Huh? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, Mom.
Where is this road
I'll
check?
come.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hi, Tanya.
Hi, Pranay.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you? Okay,
Fine.
Mom.
Wow, she's beautiful.
What are you looking at?
I was looking at those big books there. Those were amazing. You joining for lunch?
No, I'm having lunch with Tanya.
Okay, so have a good time. Have biryani. Okay, man. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hi,
Sorry.
Tanya.
Hi, Rochak.
Hey, you look beautiful.
డాలరా ప్రణయ్ అన్న
Oh, shit. Old city guy. Oh, shit. All right. Ramesh, what are you doing here?
मेरा अड्डी बसली एक कर दिए।
What are you doing here, man?
वो राणा प्रताप साहब ने बोला गणेश का पूजा।
Ganesh Puja? I'm really sorry, man.
Now, hold your hands on your ears and do 11 sit-ups.
What?
Come on. Om Ganpatiya Namaha. Oh, no. I forgot. My grandma says if you do 101 sit-ups on Vinayak Chauthi, you will get more blessings. Come on, fast.
Sure. Shit.
Come on, boys, come on.
5, 6. Oh, shit. Ramesh. 8, 9, 10, 11. Rochak, 12, 99, 100, 101, 102. Oh my God.
101 goddamn sit-ups.
Oh my God. Rochak. Shit. Oh my
I
God.
guess
If I remember,
I'll never forget this Ganesh Puja.
if I remember anything in India, that's Ganapati Puja. Rochak, you see anything?
Yeah? No. I only see this wall.
Okay, keep walking. Yo, man, keep walking.
Hi, Pranay, Rochak. Wow, you guys in dhotis, looking so cute.
Yeah, we're just working out.
Huh? What happened, Pranay?
Come on, Rochak. Keep going, man. Come on. Whoa. Oh, get inside. Shit, watch it. Shit, man, come on. Rochak, wait for me. Oh, shit, my nose. Wow. Oh, shit, help me.
Look, Hyderabad is so beautiful and everyone loves Hyderabad.
ओ मिया तुम्हारा हैदराबाद बहुत अच्छा है I love your city I feel the regal atmosphere when I steps in the city from the Qutub Shahi tombs up to Golconda Fort anywhere you want to you're now in the land of Nawab so bow down to people that be greater than you fine chicks coming from a high-tech city. Irresistible cuties like the charming lovers on the necklace, Cupid's air. You won't understand until the day you're finally there. Wherever hide bodies, take the mummies out to chill and feel the thrill. When nothing else but love's the deal, now make way. Cause I'm on a shopping spree. Moon the market, Mother market, and to every bazaar. Open wallet till I spend each and every huzzah. It doesn't matter, there's a place for everyone here. Rich or broke, ain't no joke, somebody give you a deal. Cause everybody's picked the same when it comes to a meal. Biryani, biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, 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 Hyderabadi biryani. City's splendid, beauty never ended. Centuries of elegance, everywhere you take a glance. Yusuf Tequila Kona, Purani Haveli palaces from Asman Gar to Falaknama. Mobil Pura Chomala and all the royal places for faces of kings with the loves of pretty things like the women got him twisted. Build the monuments, Taramati Baradari, Prema Mati Baradari. I take a stroll to go hook up with my crew in Begum Pet, Amir Pet, Malak Pet and Welcome Pet. Then I'm set to take you on another shopping spree. Chudi Bazaar, Begum Bazaar, right to Bazaar, Lal Bazaar. For all the buzz that make the girls of Hyderabad so beautiful. When they got a man, you know they care for you so beautiful. I take a walk so I can floss in Afzalganj, then to Abid, then back to Dabipura. Take a turn and I'll be back in Panjaguta by this evening. Been around a few days and I ain't leaving it. Cross Purana pool on my way to Secundrabad, but you know I'm coming back for what? Biryani, biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, 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 Hyderabadi biryani. I sneak to Old City to get with my committee. From Nampali Station to a smoking session at an Iranian cafe with no bad intentions. Fine tobacco, high concentration. Hey yo, what's on the menu?
आबा मेनू हो ना ये ले बोलता मेनू मिर्ची का सालन पत्थर का गोश्त तलावा गोश्त दाल खाना बगारा खाना पाया नारी हलीम हरीस बुरी का सालन बगारे बगाई शामी कबाब बोटी कबाब खिचड़ी खट्टा.
Okay, fine. Get biryani, no spice.
अरे हो सरे एक बिरयानी छोड़ रहे नरम बोटी.
Okay, whatever. Better know I'm down for whatever. Better know in Hyderabad we eat what whenever. City of peace, all faiths come together, make a masjid, Birla Mandir, saints, cathedrals. Life is placid like Hussein Sagar. Tollywood, no Hollywood, only filled with Nagar. Safe as the Minars, in char, come on, I can keep on going on and on without a plan. More spending, Cody Shopping District, according to my instinct. You're dreaming of the hills and the bells on the hills of Banjar and Jubilee. Now don't you see, all the rest of them just wanna be. Whip out my celly for some Telugu messaging. Got my helmet when I ride, so no police engaging. See me at the shop, I stop where we're shopping till we drop. Checking out a Caesar, sipping on a breezer. People Telugu movie to see the heroine. Figure out a pop tonight where I can zero in. DJ Cole rocks the joint. Everybody, hottie cops already out the door. They wanna stop the party. Biryani, biryani, Hyderabadi biryani, 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 Hyderabadi biryani, 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 Hyderabadi biryani, 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 Hyderabadi biryani, Hyderabadi biryani.
अच्छा ठीक है हाँ वैसे ही करेंगे मामा ओके.
अन्ना किडनैपिंग का क्या हुआ?
उसके लिए प्लानिंग करना पड़ता रे.
अन्ना उसके पास 2 आयरन बॉक्स हैं, एक तुम रख ले, मैं रख ले. अन्ना उसके पास फ्रिज भी है, वॉशिंग मशीन भी है. फ्रिज तुम ले लो, वॉशिंग मशीन मैं ले लेता हूँ. अन्ना उसके पास विस्की बाटल भी है.
तो चाय बोल रहे चिन्ना.
एक हार्लिक्स. पैसे कौन देता रे?
और क्या क्या है रे उधर?
अन्ना उसके पास शेविंग करने का, वो दाढ़ी बनाने वाला, वो सिंटा है, चाइना है.
सुन रहा?
और टी शर्ट भी है अन्ना. अन्ना उसके पास 555 के सिगरेट पैकेट है, इतने बड़े, दोनों बांट लेंगे.
मामा चोरी का काम कराता रे, किडनैपिंग बोल के.
नहीं अन्ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ.
चल दूर. रात को 12 बजे दरवाजा खोल के रख.
ठीक है अन्ना.
बस उसको दिखा दे, खत्म.
अन्ना सुबह पूरा खत्म होते ही अम्मरे का फोन करके डॉलर मंगा ले तू. डॉलर
Where is she, man? Where is she?
Who?
Sheetal. You said that she's coming for me.
Oh yeah, she'll be here any moment.
She was asking about me.
Oh, a lot of things. She said that she likes your style,
Really?
your dressing, and your sense of humor.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
You know what?
What?
I think she kinda likes you.
Oh. Would you like to have a drink? I'll buy it for you.
Oh yeah, sure.
2 Bacardi, please.
Don't worry, dude. Everything will be all right.
Yeah, cool.
Dude, she's here.
Oh, thanks, man.
Hi, Pranay.
Shit, what are you doing here?
I'm waiting for you. Rochak said you are also waiting for me.
No, actually, I'm waiting for someone else.
No, Rochak told me you want to dance with me today. No, come on, come on. Let's go dance. Chalo, let's go. Come on, come on. Let's go,
easy,
please.
easy,
Come,
easy.
come, come. Let's dance, dance.
Hey, Rochak,
we're
watch out.
going dance, dance.
Oh my god.
Who's that girl, Ray? Yeah, it's the same girl who brought Pranay's lunch. Okay, oh yeah. I'll go and get something to drink. Okay, carry on.
Hi, Sheetal.
Hi, Lakshmi.
Wow, you are looking pretty in this dress.
Thank you.
How did you come out of your house?
मैं मम्मी डैडी से बोली मैं भावना के घर पे सो रही हूँ बस वहीं पे कपड़े बदल के आ गई और क्या आजकल लड़कियाँ ऐसा ही करती है ना
So, you are drinking today?
कभी कभी तो चांस मिलता है ना लक्ष्मी
Hey, come on. I think you're having lots of fun dancing with me, no?
देखो देखो, प्रणय किसके साथ नाच रहे?
हाँ देख रही हूँ
मैं बोली थी ना, ये अनारे लड़कों के बारे में?
अरे छोड़ ना लक्ष्मी चलो चलो डांस करते हैं
नहीं बाबा नहीं, मैं इधर ही बैठती हूँ।
ठीक है मैं जा रही हूँ
ओके।
अरे बहुत गलत जगह तो हमारे भाई ने।
Okay, girls, that's it for now. Have a good day. Excuse me? Hello?
हेलो प्रणयना मैं रमेश बात कर रहा हूँ
Oh, Ramesh, you're calling me at the wrong time. What do you want?
नहीं प्रणयना मैं विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट का सेकंड अंडरवेयर पे ना क्या मस्त कंफर्ट है मालूम ना
Victoria's Secret is lady stuff. Victoria's Secret is not. Okay. So Victoria's Secret company wants us to take company's project? Okay. We are so
अरे
busy
प्रणयना क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप
now because of our workload we have, so it's kind of a
हाँ,
adjustment. But okay, I'll send the fax. Okay, see you. Bye. My cousin Ramesh, he works for Victoria's Secret New York, and he wants us to take the Victoria's Secret company's special projects. I said no because we have heavy workload. We can't do that. So, ladies, take care. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. What's he talking? I don't know.
What is Victoria's Secret, Ray?
Talk about it later.
ये किसको उठा के लाया?
Hey Pranay,
Hey, Prasad, what's up?
where is Rochak?
He better go with Tanya.
Who is it?
Yeah.
When will you go? Come on Pranay, I know you like Sheetal.
What are you talking about?
Come on, everybody knows about it. There's only one way to get Sheetal. Marry her.
You mean I should marry her?
Look, in India, girls marry according to the parents' choice. If you convince her parents, she will marry you. Yes, that's how it works in India.
Yes?
Namaste. I'm Pranay. I'm Sheetal's vice president.
Okay, please come in.
Oh, thank you.
Sheetal is not there.
Oh, okay, no problem.
She is my wife.
Oh, namaste.
Namaste.
Nice meeting you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you. I live in Banjara Hills.
Okay.
I was just passing by,
Mm-hmm.
so I thought of meeting you.
Oh, I see.